Hi everyone. Welcome to a new video. I have a high-power household induction cooker on my bench. The customer reported hearing a popping or sparking sound from inside the unit when it's powered on. Let's find out why. Upon opening and inspecting the back of the main board, I found a clear culprit. One leg of the resonance capacitor had completely desoldered and was arced. What's interesting is the build quality here. It uses two 5F filter capacitors and two 0.2 micro F resonance capacitors to handle its 2500 West output, which is much beefier than your standard cookers. A quick tip: when you see arcing on a capacitor, never just resolder it. Internal damage or performance degradation is likely. Today, I'm replacing it with a fresh 0.27 micro F 1200 volts capacitor to ensure long-term reliability. Let's walk through the board comparison and the replacement process.